Hi friends, so today I would like to share with you this portable air conditioning. Guys, this product has a cooling capacity of 16,000 BTU, which will allow you to cool down an area of up to 800 square foot. This is the perfect air conditioning for any room in your home, and it even comes with wheels so you can easily carry it with you anywhere you want. Guys, to operate it, you can do so 3 different ways. One of them is by using this touch control digital display up here. It's an LED type of display. You also have the option of using this remote control that has a range of up to 25 foot, or you can download an intelligent app in your phone and control all of the different functions in there. So guys, this product has multiple features. You can change the different functions by using this button right here, or you can use the mode button in the remote control. You have an auto mode. You also have a cooling mode, so this will be the air conditioning, which can go from degrees of 61 all the way to 88 Fahrenheit. You also have the option of dehumidifying, which is really nice. You can also use it for warming, so it also produces heat. That is really cool. This is like an all-in-one type of device. And guys, you can also use this product as a fan. How cool that is. Now guys, for each one of these, you have 3 different fan speeds that you can exchange with this button right here. So you have an auto, a low, and a high. And then guys, this also comes with a timer. So you have up to 24 hours of a timer for you to choose from. And on top of all of that, it also provides you with a swing type of mode, to move the air left and right. Guys, this product is simply amazing. It comes with everything you need to install it, and it was super easy to put it together. I also love the fact that it doesn't produce much noise, as you can tell. So guys, I really hope you will enjoy this awesome product, and I will see you next time. Bye!